Here are 20 interesting facts about music education. Multitasking skills. Musicians learn to multitask effectively. Music requires coordination between various elements like rhythm, melody, and harmony, which helps develop work ethics and discipline. Positive impact on work-life balance. Music has a positive impact on work-life balance. It serves as a stress reliever and allows people to express themselves freely. Universal language. Music transcends language barriers. When people connect through music, communication barriers disappear. Historical roots. The United States was the first country to formally teach music in the 18th century. Educators traveled, imparting knowledge and entertaining along the way. Osborne G. McCarthy. In the 20th century, American music educator Osborne G. McCarthy developed a 4-year degree program in music education. This program was later adopted by many colleges across the U.S. Benefits for students. Children who study music tend to have larger vocabularies and more advanced reading skills. Music education enhances cognitive skills, creativity, and academic performance. Substance use. Secondary students who participate in music groups report the lowest lifetime and current use of substances like tobacco, alcohol, and illicit drugs. High graduation rates. Schools with music programs have an estimated 90.2% graduation rate, compared to 72.9% in schools without music education. Improved reading and spelling. Regardless of socioeconomic status, students in high-quality music programs score higher on reading and spelling tests. Brain engagement. Music engages areas of the brain involved in attention, prediction, and memory. It's like a mental workout. Language skills. Mastery in arts and humanities correlates with a better understanding of language components. Brain development. Young children who take music lessons show improved brain development and memory over time. Music and academics. Children who study a musical instrument tend to excel in all subjects, work well in teams, and pursue further education. Vocabulary expansion. Music education contributes to larger vocabularies and advanced reading skills. Stress relief. Playing or listening to music is a great stress reliever. Attendance rates. Schools with music programs have higher attendance rates compared to those without. Grammy Awards. The Grammy Awards have been honoring music industry achievements since 1959. Music as a universal language. Music communicates emotions and ideas across cultures and languages. Music boosts creativity. Learning music encourages creative thinking and problem solving. Lifelong benefits. Music education provides lifelong benefits, from cognitive development to emotional well-being.